Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to log out of your DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up the DeepSeek app on your device, and once you're in the home page, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left corner. This will open up the expanded menu where you'll need to tap on the three dots at the bottom. Now, from the settings menu, swipe all the way down and click on Logout. Click on Logout once again to confirm in the pop-up box, and you will be able to log out or sign out of DeepSeek AI. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DeepSeek AI tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.